Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's makeup look, I'd say the focus is all about the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer Veil Lipstick, and I used the shade Televator. She released quite a few shades, Kat Von D, in these, and I've heard she's been working on the formula for them for about 5 years. I went to the Kat Von D Artistry Collective demo with Stephanie and Kelsey. They just gave us a few demos on basic looks, and they did speak about the Glimmer Veil lips, and they are amazing. They are so pigmented. I can't wait to get myself some more colours, so I just thought I just wanted to create a fun purpley pink kind of look with this lip shade. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 300. Now I'm ready to shape and fill my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'll be using a small angled brush for it. Brows are done. Now I want to prime and set my eyes ready for some eyeshadow. So for my eyes, I just use a neutral colour to set the eyeshadow base. Now I want to go in with the Kat Von D Movida Loca palette. I haven't even decided what shade I want to use. And I want to go in with the shade Analog, which is an orange shade. I have used this palette. I mean, it's hit pan on quite a lot of shades. I want to use the Analog shade, which is an orange, just for a transition, and then I'm going to start adding some more pinks as well. Now I want to go in with this pink shade called Swoon, just to add more of a blush pink kind of tone to my eyes. Now for the third part, I want to use the shade Destroyer, which is like a reddish kind of pink. Now I'm ready to conceal under my eyes. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. I just want to go back in with the shade Destroyer onto my lower lash line to balance the colour a little bit more. Now, because I usually set under my eyes at this point, I want to use the Fenty Beauty Matte Skin Stick in the shade Suede. As it's a creamy product, I will set after I've used this, just to carve out my cheekbones. Now I just want to set under my eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I think I want to add a little bit more of a pop of colour, so I want to go in with the Jeffree Star You Better Work Velour Liquid Lip Shade, and I'm just going to swatch some onto the back of my hand, and I am going to go in with a small little brush and just blend out on my lower lash line, just to add more of a pop of colour. And what I've done is just flicked out the colour at the ends, because when I add some liquid liner it can flow together nicely. And now I just want to go in with my Spectrum A12 small little fluffy brush just to buff out the colour that I applied. Now I want to go in with my liquid liner. I'll be using the Rimmel Glam Eyes Professional in the shade Black Glamour. Now I want to go in with mascara. I will be using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. And I'll be back in a second because mascara takes me the longest time. I just want to go in with some kohl pencil into my waterline. I'll be using an Inglot black kohl pencil. Now I want to set my contour with a MAC Studio Fix powder just so it can stay in place. Don't want it moving around and coming off. No. For my highlight, I want to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade, excuse my French, So F***ing Gold. In the shade So F***ing Gold. And I'll be using a crown brush, just like a lovely little fan brush to apply that. Don't you just love fresh makeup? So for my lips, I'll be using these two shades. I want to use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade You Better Work and the Kat Von D Beauty Everlasting Glimmer Veil Lipstick in the shade Televator. This is a beautiful purple glitter. Bit controversial, two enemies. I think it's good to use a base underneath these glimmer veils. They are so pigmented, but I think either a black shade or a shade that matches the colour of the glimmer veil helps really well. They are beautiful pigmented lipsticks. I heard that Kat Von D was working on the formula for this product for about 5 years. She knows how to deliver. So I'm going to apply the Velour Liquid Lipstick, allow it to dry, and then I'm going to put the glimmer veil on top. Dry, her drink velour lipstick. So now I've applied the velour liquid lipstick, I'm ready to apply the glimmer veil. Oh my god, look at that. Woo! I want to use a mattifying fixing mist by MUA just to set my makeup. Okay, so now I am ready and my makeup is done. I look like Cousin It's pink cousin. I'm really happy with this Glimmer Veil lipstick. I cannot wait to buy some more shades. It is so fun to use. You can even use it on your eyes and it can just go all crazy and creative with it, and I look forward to using it that little bit more. That is my look complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye! And it's got to dry, and it's got to dry.